labor force. He saw that unity as the backbone of Zionism. This also helped new immigrants acclimate into Israeli society, giving them work and a sense of
in the past. Strength, national unity, a pure race. It's very important that we distinguish liberal
tones, and it gives you a kind of understated unity across the whole painting that is a big shift from the more kind of traditional Quattrocento.
Discovered. Suddenly, all of this diversity can be seen as a unity. You just have to know what the base.
For the north and the south, there was a cohesion, a unity of the 12 tribes of Israel. The prophecy, the prediction is that
function is what establishes a form of unity and community within people to understand diversity. And
community in the body of Christ, that doesn't just happen. That kind of unity, brothers and sisters, doesn't just happen. It